I think another thing you have to take into account of yesterday's trading is end of quarter rotation, because what we saw yesterday is the groups which have been performing best quarter to date were the worst performers yesterday, and the ones that have been worst and lagging were the best performers. So I'm not trying to minimize the aspect and the impact of this trade rhetoric.
So you think the trade rhetoric was only a small piece of the situation yesterday?
I think it was just part of a bigger part of the puzzle, and we're just seeing rotation for the end of the quarter, in managers rebalancing.
You want to take that on?
Well, we certainly are seeing rotation, and from our point of view, it's part of the potential for a broader de-risking. If you think about the S&P 500, it's been a roller coaster the entire year. You've essentially gone nowhere, but there's been these, very sharp emotional swings. And to us, it feels like it has the potential to be more like April, when the trade war really started heating up and it crowded out all the headlines. We've been talking for 10 minutes about nothing but trade war, and that kind of psychology.
But the spirit of Andrew's question is that what drove them? Is that driving the market?
Yes.
I mean, there's 3 out of 4 guests that we've had on say, oh, it's earnings, it's rotation, this is just a side story to the underlying issues of like interest rates, et cetera. You think absolutely
it is definitely driving the market. There's no question about it, because the level of uncertainty is heightening now. And if you look at it, part of the issue is that the confidence indicators have all continued to all-time highs. And if you think of confidence like a high multiple stock, any slight dent to the confidence can turn things very quickly. And we're at a psychological point where, again, we don't know how far the president is going to go. We don't know how far Xi is going to go. But if it escalates rapidly from here, that's where the psychology turns. And that's sort of the clear and present danger of the next couple of weeks.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.